Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so what we need to do here is we need to add in an h1 header. So basically we need to put the h1 and we'll call this header 1, and we also need to close this off as well. So we just push h1. We also need to add in a paragraph, and for that we use the p tag, and we're going to close that off as well, and we're going to call this is a paragraph. Simple enough. And the last thing we need to do is add in an image. So we're going to go img source, or src, is equal to, and we need to go and find an image. So I found this nice Google logo. So I'm going to right click and go copy image, put the quotations up, and basically close it off right there. And as you can see, this image is huge. Even though it doesn't look like it here, it's huge. So what we need to do is we need to go and add in the height. And I'm going to say it's going to equal to 100. And there we go. That's a lot better. And remember, when you only set the height, it scales it proportionally. So that was a little bit of an optional item there. Most of the images won't be that big. So this one I think was extremely big. So there you go. That is the answer or solution to the test. If you don't have the height, don't worry about it. That wasn't necessarily included. I'll see you guys next time.